Hello guys, today we are going to learn about select menu or drop down menu. Select menu is the pretty thing which can allows you to select single thing from a menu. Looks like this. So here is a page which allows you to select which language or which course you want to learn. So from the drop down menu you can select one thing. So today we are going to learn about how to create drop down menu in HTML. So first of all, to create drop down menu we have to add select element or select tag which contains our drop down list. This select tag contains this is select tag which contains our data. So for the data elements we have to use option tag which contains values sorry values for select element. So I'm going to paste it multiple times. So first of all, if you have to choose, first of all I am going to use some heading. Okay, yeah, I'm going to use same heading for this page. So which course you want to learn? Okay, I'm going to give some courses name. For example, first one is HTML, second one is CSS, third one is JavaScript, next one must be PHP, MySQL, or something like jQuery. Okay, I have given some courses name and heading. So I have save it. First of all, save it and refresh it. It gives nice heading and also a drop down list with our data elements. So when we use option tag and option tag contains our value which is included by select element. This is the select element, and from the select element we are going to choose option value. This is optional values. Okay, that's all for now. See you in next.